Ladies and gentlemen, today I am going to make shrimp soup. The shrimp bisque.
This is French soup, creamy soup.
Friends, I am Chef Mangal. So let's start. Come with me and start cooking. To make this soup, I am using a deep pan. For soup, you have to use the deep pan only. Add your butter. Cook it on a medium heat. So when you see your butter is melt, that is time and is hot. That is time when you add roughly chopped celeries. Cook for a minute so you get a flavor of the celery in the soup. Add your chopped onion. Cook it for 1 to 2 minutes and you cook till you see the color of an onion change. That is time when you can add chopped garlic. Cook for a minute. I want that flavor should go in the soup. Garlic and prawn goes well. So when you cook that for a minute, you can add your carrots. Carrots always takes more time compared to other ingredients, other vegetables. So when you cook it, add your bay leaf. That is the flavor we want in our this French soup, shrimp bisque. Add a flour. Flour helps us to give a consistency, thickened consistency to our creamy soup. Cook it till you see the flour color change. This is the time when you add fish stock. The fish stock I made with the fish, shrimp and other seafood. Stir it after baking, boiling that. Add white wine. I suggest white wine, whatever white wine you like. You can use that. There is no perfect recipe for. Add a milk. That milk gives a creamy taste when you mix with the flour, butter or other ingredients. I like corn and a lot of people they love corns. When you taste this soup, you get a little sweetness in the corn. Add your shrimp. Shrimp I cut in small dice. And along with white fish, I use tilapia, cut into 1 inch dice. And when you see your carrot is done, or your fish is done, your shrimp is done, that is time when you add tomato puree. Tomato puree change the color of your soup and give a little taste also of tomato puree. Add your seasoning, pepper, white pepper and salt. Mix it well. Just simmer for a minute. You see the color change completely. This is the color I want. Important part, taste. Always taste your food. See your seasoning is perfect. Add lemon zest. Completely they give different taste to the soup. Flavor. Mix it well. Now your soup is ready. Add cayenne pepper. You can use paprika also. You can find your full recipe in description. Chop parsley. Mix it well. And your creamy French shrimp bisque is ready. Oh my God, what a look. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching this video. I hope you like. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. For next week there is a surprise. I am going to make combination of salad and entree. You will love it in this summer. You will enjoy. So see you next Saturday, same time.